Hey peeps, how are you? So in this video I will be telling you something about बायजूस का इंटरव्यू। ठीक है, इस लॉकडाउन में बायजूस बहुत एक्टिव हो चुका है और बायजूस का जो सेल्स है बहुत आगे हो चुका है एंड बायजूस हैज सरपास्ड आई गेस व्हाट पेटीएम राइट नाउ with 16 billion turnover. I guess I'm not sure about it. But in this video, I'll be telling you a majority of the things about the Byju's interview. Now, I'm planning to make this video in three parts, 3 or 4 parts in which I'll be discussing about. अभी तो मैं discuss करूँगा कि interview कैसे होता है, क्या क्या questions पूछते हैं, how to crack it, my opinion whether to do go for Byju's or not. So basically, you will have two interviews, guys. ठीक है? Before starting, like let me tell you, this is my house. This is my house. And the channel is mainly for vlogging. I love vlogging. And देखो, without wasting much of our time, let us start. कि दो इंटरव्यू होता है आपका. You will have two interviews. Fine. In the first interview, now I'll tell you some prerequisite for all the if you want to clear the Byju's interview. Now Byju's interview is very easy, guys. Very easy. If you have fair amount of communication skills or if you can express what you think, fine. So you can definitely clear. And if you have never die attitude, never say never wala attitude, if you do not like to give up, definitely if you can present it also, then you will select it. It's very simple. Now remember, Byju's requires a lot of like people. Now like lot of employees, they want to hire you, they will come to you, they will give you invitation for that Zoom link or the first interview to hire you, not to reject you. Remember, क्योंकि that's why even in the pandemic, that's why even in any time they like always बायजूस का जो भी होता है वो ओपन रहता है. ठीक है, they are always ready to hire people and they do hire definitely. बहुत सारे लोग हायर होते हैं. Fine, and they do that BDT. Now definitely you will be selected as a BDT first. Now BDA, business development associate बोलते हैं, business development trainee बोलते हैं. Now for the first 2 months you will be business development trainee, in which they will train you how to talk, how to approach, how to convince, what all things are there, EMI and all those kind of stuffs. Okay, now they will try to teach you in this first 2 months, or rather if I try to break down this 2 months of training, first 14 days or 2 to 3 week rather, they will teach you this classroom wala teaching. They will tell you what all things are there in Byju's, how to do the payment process, how to go for EMI and all those kind of stuff. And then after 14 or 15 days you will have on site, like on like you will have some target to fulfill, and then when you fulfill that target in the remaining 56 days, you will be promoted as business development associate. Now at this time when you get promoted to business development associate, that is BDA, you will have that is something called as 10 lakh per annum. Before that you will be having some 25,000, like they will ask you for 25,000 per month. Now I'll tell you ki I have been as a BDT, I was having an opportunity to get promoted myself to BDA, but I did not. Now there is a reason why I did not, because I'll tell you whether to join Byju's in this pandemic or not. I am planning to make 3 or 4 videos. Definitely watch out every of those. If you want to seriously want to look, हाँ, we were in payment, right? Salary. So पहले month में I got some 22,000. दूसरे month में I got 17,000. I did not have any single day of leave, guys. But still, I got 17,000 and there's no official confirmation or there's no official statement कि why so 17,000. ठीक है? Now, coming to the first interview. Now first interview में if your prerequisites should be कि you have a fair amount of good communication skills. Definitely they will ask you for your language preference. If you have language preference like English, Hindi, Punjabi, Marathi, Kannada, whatever, so you will have that opportunity, you will have that upper edge कि आपको regional languages भी आते हैं. क्योंकि when you talk to a customer, they will not talk to you in English. Like majority of the talk will happen in Hindi only. Most of the times you will be happening like if you are a Kannada guy or if you are a Marathi guy, so you will get the regional wala, but majority जो है हिंदी ही आती है. Fine. So and English में interview होगा, definitely English में ही interview होगा. And now first question जो pose होता है, let it be a Byju's interview, let it be SSB, let it be आपका IAS का interview also. The first question which will pan onto you or fire to you onto you will be the tell me about yourself. Now definitely if you are at this position where if you're watching my video, then definitely you know how to answer. Tell me about yourself, you have written it down. So tell me about yourself strength, tell me about yourself strengths and weaknesses, and these are all are some common questions which you have to answer in every interview you go to. So I would urge you to prepare a very good answer for this. Fine. Now after this, after tell me about yourself, the main interview starts. The main interview, how it starts is, now she will pose you situations. Fine. Now I don't know whether, because I have not been asked ki sell me this pen wala question. She will ask you situations, like for example, if the guy is very poor. Now this question I've come across was very interesting question. Okay, I was very keen to answer that question, and I'm very keen to answer you also. She asked me this question ki, if you go to a home and you are approaching that kid to take the Byju's product, okay, now this guy, this small kid of 10th standard, ask you a question, okay, what would be the answer of this question? Now what will you do? So I was like, ma'am, I will answer that question. I have done my 10th standard, so I know the basics. So she was like, no, you don't know the answer, what will you do? So I was like, ma'am, I'll search it on Google and then ask the kid to wait for some time, and then I'll research about it and then answer it. So she was like, no, you don't have time, he's on spot, he wants that answer. So I was like, Google it. So she was like, you are not here for Google, you're here for Byju's. उस टाइम पे क्लिक किया मुझे कि उस टाइम पे. नाउ आई वाज लाइक कि या मैम, आई विल शो दैट किड द Byju's tablet. Fine, I will show that kid the Byju's tablet. So she was like, yes, that's what I wanted to hear from you. So I said ki yeah, and she was impressed by this, definitely. So remember this, you have to promote Byju's, not Google. Fine. So ये क्वेश्चन हुआ फिर, एंड शी वाज लाइक कि वेदर यू विल बी कंटिन्यूइंग Byju's. आई वांट एन लाइक आई वांट sure shot from you ki you will not leave the company. And if I'll mention you guys ki there is no bond in this company. So even if she mentioned ki if I give you 1 year ka bond, will you be able to like come join the Byju's, say yes, there is no bond. ब्लफ वो कर रहे हैं तो हम उनसे बड़े देशशाने बनेंगे. से यस, ठीक है, मैंने बोला था, दो आई डोंट वांटेड टू. ठीक है, मार्केटिंग जॉब है, एंड बिलीव मी गाइज, आपको कितना भी बोले वो कि 10 लाख पर एनम, दिस इज जस्ट अ ब्लफ. कि हाँ 10 लाख मिलते हैं, बट इट रिक्वायर्स अ वेरी 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 हाई अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी. प्रेशर भी बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है, वो मैं अलग बताऊंगा अलग वीडियो में. एंड BDA BDT वॉट एवर दे मैंशन, वॉट एवर, डो नॉट बिलीव. आपको मार्केटिंग करनी है, दैट्स इट. आपको जाके बेचना है. आपने बेचा तो आपकी इज्जत है, आपने नहीं बेचा तो निकाल के फेंकेंगे वो, क्योंकि दे हैव अ हेल लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु आर कमिंग. a lot of like this is a trap, yeah, like literally this is a trap. कि 10 लाख पर एनम बोलते ना, this is literally a trap. People say, मेरे को भी बहुत लोगों ने बोला था कि मत जा, मैं गया, I experienced it. Now I realize कि why I should not have joined. But no, nevertheless, it was a very good experience of me. Like you should be open to any kind of organization, guys. You should be open to like I have the experience of IT field right now. ठीक है, IT का सेक्टर का भी एक्सपीरियंस है. I have the experience of marketing also. I am exploring new opportunities for myself. ठीक है, you should also do that. Now फिर और सेकेंड इंटरव्यू में आते हैं. मेरा 26 अप्रैल को, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, 26 अप्रैल को आई हैड माई फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू 2020. एंड 6th और 7th में आफ्टर 10 days आई हैड माई सेकेंड इंटरव्यू. सेकेंड इंटरव्यू भी सेम था मेरा. ठीक है, वो भी एक फीमेल थी HR. तो उन्होंने भी मुझे सेम ही चीज़ पूछी थी कि व्हाट इफ ना सिचुएशंस. नाउ दे विल पोज यू हेल लॉट ऑफ सिचुएशन. नाउ बी रेडी टू रिएक्ट टू इट इन अ पॉजिटिव वे. फाइन. डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रमोट Byju's. Now it is very simple. It's like just a casual talk. It will happen like I am doing with you. Fine. If they think कि he has a very good communication skills, if I feel कि you can convince the group, you can convince the people, you have a very good communication skills, and if you are conveying them कि yes, I am a very fit for this for this job, they will hire you definitely, because they also have a target to hire some like this amount of people. They will hire you definitely. If they will not hire you unnecessarily if you do not have that communication skills. It's merely just a communication skills, guys. ठीक है. So this channel guys, this channel is not for this informative purposes. I just wanted to share my information because a lot of people of my friends were asking me कि Byju's का इंटरव्यू कैसे क्रैक करना है. like all 10 लाख के पीछे पड़े हुए. नहीं मिलता यार, नहीं मिलता है, मैं पहले ही बता रहा हूँ. वो अलग बात है. तो मेरा चैनल जो है व्लॉगिंग का है. लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, सो आई कैन नॉट गो आउट, आई कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग, सो आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. सो आई थॉट ऑफ मेकिंग अ वीडियो सो दैट पीपल शुड गेट टू नो कि यार व्हाट हैपन्स, द रियलिटी ऑफ बायजूस, and you should go for it. But why, when you should go, I am planning to make another video, and इस video में like मेरे channel पे you will get vlogging वाले videos. I roam, I make, I love to travel, I love to edit, I love to, you know, vlogging में मुझे interest है, so you can check out all those videos also. It's very interesting though. ठीक है. So with that note, I will end this video, guys. If you have any doubt, go ahead, smash the comment box. If you have any doubt, I'll try to make another video if I get the good question. Otherwise, I will definitely answer. ठीक है. सो सपोर्ट अस, सपोर्ट मी बाय सब्सक्राइबिंग डेफिनेटली, लाइक करो, और जो भी मतलब जो भी बायजूस का इंटरव्यू जा रहा है, सो ट्राई टू शेयर इट विथ हिम सो दैट ही ऑल्सो गेट टू नो कि, और इस प्लेलिस्ट में यार चारों के चारों वीडियो मिल जाएंगे, चारों पांचों जितने भी वीडियो बनाऊंगा सारी चीज़ आपको पता चल जाएगी. फाइन. इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन कमेंट मी, लाइक कमेंट कर सकते हो एंड आई कैन आंसर इट. ठीक है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम. एंड कोरोना बहुत चल रहा है यार, अभी भी ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है, सो डू नॉट टेक इट लाइटली. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. हैव अ गुड डे.